What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Once again, we are back here in the garage and we have another vehicle to work on today. I've actually been gone a couple weeks. We went to Europe for a vacation, had a great time, so I might be a little rusty getting back into this, but this vehicle's not that bad. It's a good one to come back to. I'll show you what we have. It's a 2020 Cadillac XT4. And on the hood here, you can see there's some dents up top. So you got one right there. I think there's 5 total. Another one right there, one right there, and a couple more over here somewhere. There's one there. So the customer's not sure what happened to this, but they're all up close to the windshield for some reason. Shouldn't be too bad. They are really, really deep in the center. And it is an aluminum hood, but again, I don't think it's, going to be too difficult or anything like that. I'm not going to take off the hood. We'll just access them right through the front, drop the hood mat, and we'll get going on this. And I figured take you along with us. I might be rusty, but like I said, this is a good one to come back to. So let's get going and see how this thing turns out. Okay, it's coming up really nice. It's actually not even aluminum. I could have sworn this was going to be an aluminum hood. I didn't even check. And once I started working it, it felt too nice of a metal. So I tested it with a magnet, and it's actually steel. So that helps out a lot. And the dents are really, really sharp still. So I put some heat on it, just took them slow, tried to get that center up. You could kind of tell in the video too, I almost had to, make a mound to get that center out, then tap it down and start working it again. But they're coming out nice. We're pretty much done that side. We have 2 more on this side. So we'll get going on this, finish this up, and get this car done. Let's do it. All right, we are all finished up. It came out really nice. As I mentioned, they were a little deep. We had to put some heat to them, take our time getting in that center, working that center, maybe a little high, tapping it down, moving that metal around, but it came out really nice. I'll show you the tool I used a lot on this. So I always grab this tool. This is the Ultra double bend with like kind of a shaved tip on it. And I really like this tool. I grab that tool every time I start usually doing a dent. And a lot of people I know say, oh, you should use this tool for this dent, this tool. But I don't necessarily agree with that. It's not that you're just pushing off one end or anything like that. You could use it tweaking it or pushing on it, or even the heel sometimes you can use. So there's different ways you can use a tool. And then we switched to this with Ultra double bend with a sharp tip on it, get in those deep centers. And we actually used a couple of the other tools too, just to get good access on the dents and, you know, work them nice and easy. I'll show you the results. It looks good. Everything came out nice. This one over here, there's one around here. Let me see if I can focus in on it. There is like a little tiny paint, you know, imperfection in the center, and each dent has like a scratch, like a long scratch on it. And I was asking the customer what she thought happened, and she wasn't sure. So I asked if she cleaned off the snow with a shovel or anything like that, and she says she cleans it off with a broom. So I don't know if she was hitting on it, you know, making the dents, and when she was pulling the snow off, scratching it. But in any case, we got the dents done for her. I think she's going to be happy with it. I'm happy with the results. Hopefully you guys like the video. I want to also thank everyone for getting me to 1,000 subscribers. We got to the 1,000 subscriber mark. I really appreciate that. Everybody that follows me, comments, it keeps me going. So we'll do more videos, and just wanted to give you a thank you for you know, sticking with me. So we'll do more videos. We'll catch you next time, and we'll see you then.